Hello everybody, why this video? Here in this video I am going to share about NGO where I have learned English from. So the NGO name is FEA, which stands for Freedom Employability Academy. Earlier it was known as Freedom English Academy, though it was found by Neeraj Chopra, who lives in New Delhi, and FEA had its own office in US as well. So if I talk about fee, there you will, what will you get there in IPA? First of all, so there you will be getting personality development course, which is free of course, and the duration of this course is 1 year. You don't have to pay any single penny over there. Instead, you have to be regular, punctual, and disciplined around the year. And in a 1 year you will be getting so many experiences related to four skills of any language. Though we know any language, how do we learn that? There are four phases like listening, speaking, reading, writing. So this is the hierarchy by which we learn any language. If we talk about Hindi, English, Russian, Japanese, any language, so there is a hierarchy which I told you, LSRW. So there you will be getting lots of experiences related to all four skills around the year, where you will be providing one by one around 6 to 7 books till 1 year. If I talk about fee, I told you it is free of cost. No 1 rupee you have to pay there. Instead, I just told you you have to be regular and punctual. And if I talk about session, what are the timing you can avail to have to get that education? There are 8 sessions around the day, which commences from 7 o'clock in the morning till 9:30 in the evening. You can, in this time, there are 8 sessions. Each session is of 1 hour 40 minutes. You can avail anything, but the requirement is such vacant sheets should be there in that particular session, whichever convenient to you. What you can do, I will just give the link of that website. You can check whichever branch is nearest to your resident, then you can go to the branch and inquire about the same. Now facilities, what are you going to get there? So many things you will be getting, like access to library. You can read any book. You can do typing, raise your typing speed. Apart from that, though I told you earlier, whole session is for devoted to English learning. So role playing, job related skills, activities will be done there. If I talk about commands, what will you having command after the course or 1 year? It's beyond imagination, because I have witnessed when I was doing the course, people came and after 1 year their personality molded, because they put their efforts into English. They wanted to speak English. That's why the not pressure, but definitely environment is given in such a way. Definitely you actually excite your energy to speak English, whatever it is, breakable or it's fluent. Definitely you gradually take a pace of fluency. So definitely how to be considerate in life, or how to be regular or disciplined, I would say. So many things are being imparted to the personality of the people there. If I talk about careers, so many careers related skills you will be getting. You can become facilitator or teacher in FE itself. Though other apart from this, you can be volunteer as well. If you are working somewhere and you want to learn English as a passion, definitely you can. And after a course, you can become volunteer. Volunteer means you will not get paid off, but you can serve there free of cost. Whenever madam get absent, they will call you. You can take the session. So apart from this, definitely we know what is the significance of English. We can apply in any company. So this has another part of life, if I say. So where to go to get admission? I will pin you the link I just told you. You can just go there and search the nearest branch. It has so many branch in Delhi itself. Apart from Delhi or outside Delhi, it has less branches. But if you are living in Delhi city, so definitely you can find lots of branches nearest to your residence, which I consider. Though I live in Mojpur, so FEA branch is very nearest to me, which is only 200 meter away from me. So I can go very easily there. So definitely wherever you are living in Delhi, you can search whichever branch is nearest to you. Then you can go there and inquire or take inquiry that how can I avail when can I come, they will let you know everything. Facilitator will let you know. So I hope I would have given all the answer to the queries. I must say, if you want to learn English, if you want to take fluency over English, you can enroll yourself there. Thank you so much. Even then, if you have any query, you can pin me on the comment section. Definitely I will figure it out, or I will help you out in that. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And kindly like, share and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.